everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and hanging out with me for another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my list of things you should be doing on a weekly basis to keep your home clean and clutter free. Now this is by no means an exhaustive list of absolutely everything that I think you should be cleaning on a weekly basis. It's my list of things that make the biggest difference or that have a huge visual impact on making your home look and feel clean and clutter free. First up, I'll share the tasks you need to be doing every week. Be sure to subscribe for part 2, and I'll share some bonus habits, hacks, tips, and tricks to get you motivated and ensure that you are being efficient and productive, because the absolute last thing I would want to advocate for is for anyone to be spending days or hours on end being a slave to cleaning their home. Now, if you already have your home clean, clear, and under control, these weekly cleaning habits may be no-brainers for you. This video is for all the viewers who comment or message me that their house is a complete disaster of a mess and they just don't know where to start or how to get motivated. The first thing you need to ensure you're doing on a weekly basis is to wash and change your bed sheets as part of your bedroom cleaning routine. I recently read a statistic that single men, sorry guys, wash their sheets an average of 4 times a year and rarely, if ever, change their pillowcases. That is just mind-bogglingly gross, and I cannot even stand watching YouTube videos where people are changing their sheets and they don't have mattress protectors, they don't have pillow protectors, and the pillows are all like really funky stained yellow. It's just so gross. Heads up, if your pillow is all stained and yellow, you either need to wash your sheets a lot more frequently or get yourself a better quality pillow protector. Schedule a day and time that you're going to change your sheets. Just make it a routine, and if you make it a habit and do it the same time and day every week, you'll soon do it without even thinking about it. Like Friday morning, I change my bed sheets. So I just get up Friday morning, I just take the sheets off the bed as soon as I get up, put them in the wash, and it's already started, half finished before I even think about it, before I've even had my morning coffee. You can wash, dry, and have sheets back on the bed within 2 hours. And there is literally nothing better than the feeling of getting into a bed with freshly made sheets, and it is one of my favorite things about Friday night because I have fresh sheets for the weekend. My second tip on what needs to be cleaned without fail every week is something that's so much fun you can do it naked, and that's giving the bathroom a good weekly once over, especially if you have a glass shower screen. There's no escaping this chore, and unless you want a massive buildup of soap scum, mold, grime, lime scale, fecal matter, whatever, you need to clean your bathroom regularly and at least once a week. I give my bathrooms a deeper, more detailed clean once a week. Then I maintain them on a daily basis by giving the toilets a quick swish and flick with a spray of cleaner and a quick swish with the toilet brush. Then I wipe over the toilet with a few pieces of toilet paper just to keep that clean, dust-free, and under control. The vanity, basin, and mirror, just get a wipe over as often as necessary to avoid it getting out of control and turning into a task that I'm just put off by the thought of doing. A few simple habits of putting things away as soon as you're finished with them make this, and literally every other cleaning job in the house for that matter, so much quicker and easier. My weekly bathroom clean consists of a shower and screen scrub down, and I make light work of this by using a long-handled scrubber that I picked up from Bunnings and using the internet famous dishwashing liquid and vinegar combo. It really does work. Think about it. If that works on cleaning your drinking glasses and getting those sparkling clean, of course it's going to work for your shower screen as well. I clean my mirror, hand basins, and vanity and give the toilet a thorough clean inside and out, and then finish with a scrub of the tiled floors. The more often you do this task, the less badly it needs doing. And if you spend a minute or two maintaining the bathroom on a daily basis, like when you're waiting for the hot water to kick in for your shower, for example, it will never get into the state where it desperately needs cleaning again. Definitely one of the easiest ways to keep your bathroom clean is to have a little cleaning caddy. This is just a tub from IKEA, a couple of dollars. All your cleaning supplies so that they are really easily accessible and they are right at hand to get the cleaning job done as quickly as possible. The third thing I think makes a massive impact on how clean your house looks is to give your sofa a good clean. My sofa has removable covers that are machine washable, and with a puppy and 2 teen/tween aged boys, they get washed at least every other week. I do, however, always make sure to give the cushions and sofa a good vacuum and straighten the throw rugs and pillows to give my home an instant picked up look at least once a week. When the sofa is dirty or messy, it makes the whole room look untidy. It's like your bed in your bedroom. If it's not made, it looks like a mess. But a quick clean and straighten up, and it instantly makes the living room look picked up and put together. Another area of the home that makes a huge difference when it's freshly cleaned are the floors. Just think of the surface area of the floors in your home and see the difference it makes when they are in a total mess to when they are all nicely cleaned and shiny. Picking up any clutter from the floors should be part of your daily routine, and giving the floors a thorough clean, including a good vacuum or a sweep, and a thorough wet mop or a steam mop if you have one, is an absolute must for a clean home. Again, if you do a deeper, detailed clean of your floors once a week and spot clean them daily or as needed when a spill or a mess happens, it makes it that much quicker and easier than if you neglect them for a week or until they're a filthy mess and then leave it to clean up. One of my favorite cleaning tools would have to be my cordless vacuum cleaner. Having it easily accessible on the dock means it's always at hand and ready for action to maintain clean floors, and it makes this an absolute breeze. I also love my handy little mini dustpan from Daiso for any messy kitchen or food spills that I don't want being sucked up the vacuum cleaner, but I want to just sweep up and quickly put straight into the bin to help keep my floors beautiful and clean. Next big thing that I highly recommend cleaning out on a weekly basis is the fridge and freezer. If you leave this job until your fridge is a biohazard, of course it will take you hours and you'll never want to do it. But if you schedule it in as part of your weekly routine, try doing this on the day before you do your grocery shopping so the fridge is as empty as possible, and just give it a really good wipe out. Having shelf liners like these plastic placemats from IKEA and fridge organizers like these that you can pick up from Kmart or Amazon, Howard Storage World, or even the Reject Shop or Dollar Store type stores. This helps so much with keeping your fridge organized and easy to clean. Doing this once a week also helps you prevent food wastage, as you're constantly going through your fridge and you'll never forget that bag of spinach or half an avocado stuffed in the back of the produce drawer again. The sixth thing that you should aim to clean on a weekly basis, and I think this is on par with the floors in being the biggest visual impact on how clean your home looks, is windows, mirrors, and glass. If you have big sliding glass doors and they are dirty and grimy, it makes your home feel smaller for one thing, but it just makes the whole house feel gross. I hadn't cleaned my sliding doors to the courtyard for a couple of weeks due to some weird weather that we're having at the moment. And when I did take the time to clean them, I looked at the window and I honestly thought it was open because it was so clean and I could see so clearly out of it. And to be honest, I never used to bother cleaning the glass doors more than once a month, but since I started doing it weekly, it has made the biggest difference in how clean and open my space looks, but also in how much less time it takes to get them done when I do get around to doing them. Trust me, if you do this once a week, you will absolutely love the difference, and it hardly takes any time at all. The last tip I have for you to keep your home clean and clutter-free is to designate a day and time to do a regular declutter. Make it every Thursday evening maybe, and try to find a set number of things to donate to charity, and then in a set time, just go through your house and quickly gather together that number of things and pop them straight away into a charity bin to get dropped off the next morning, or pop them onto Marketplace if they're things that you think you can sell. I had a goal this year to declutter 21 things on the 21st of every month, and I'm happy to say that I have gotten rid of probably 10 times that amount of stuff easily, at least by now. As we're moving home soon, and we're going from a double garage with a storage area to an apartment that has a single car space, I've been pretty ruthless in the recent few days with the amount of things that I have just let go of. Honestly, just getting started was the hardest part, as always. And I'm always turned off by the thought of selling things on Marketplace. Although, to be honest, I think I've perfected the process of this over the past week. And if you want any tips, just let me know in the comments below. Once you start, it's like you can't stop. You get bitten by that marketplace bug. And before you know it, you're on a total roll, and all that excess stuff that's been cluttering up your life has found new and loving homes with people that will actually get joy from using them. I think a garage can be a dangerous thing. It is great for having a place to store the things that you need to keep, like bikes, scooters, beach gear, holiday decorations, all those big and bulky things that you don't need frequent access to. But it can also very easily become an easy dumping ground for things you know you should be letting go of, but you convince yourself to keep for that just in case, or you never know, I might use it someday. Or maybe like me recently, oh, that'd be good if I just, gave it a bit of a sand and a paint, even though I've never successfully DIY'd anything pretty much in my entire life. Sometimes you just have to be really honest and tough with yourself. Get real and get rid of it. Decluttering extra stuff is honestly the best feeling, and by no means am I saying you have to be a hardcore minimalist with only 2 t-shirts and a toothbrush or anything like that. Try to live by the principle of no more than you have room for, and only the amount of stuff that you have the time to manage and maintain, and that includes keeping it clean. So guys, that about wraps up today's video. I hope you have found it either helpful and motivating if you needed advice on where to start your clean and clutter-free home journey, or at least entertaining and fun hanging out with me for a while. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, thumbs down if you're a total loser, and be sure to subscribe for more awesome content like this. Have a fabulous weekend, enjoy your cleaning and decluttering if you've been inspired, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone. That is why you wash the shower when you're in it.